Hi, I'm Tim O'Neill, Kuriyama Marketing Manager. I have with me today Steve Fry, our Kuri Tec Product Manager. Steve is one of our veterans, having been with us for almost 20 years. Steve, why don't you tell us a little bit about Kuri Tec?
Well, our first production facility for Kuri Tec was established in Brantford, Ontario in 1985. With the addition of our facilities in Guelph, Ontario and Williamsport, Indiana, we now have 3 Kuri Tec production facilities. We also have the distinction of developing and compounding our own PVC materials in-house. This gives us complete control of our production process from raw material state right through finished goods.
So 3 plants, custom compounding, must give us the ability to make some pretty interesting hoses.
That's right. In addition to our extensive product catalog, Kuri Tec specializes in custom solutions to meet specific needs of our customers.
So tell me about the hoses.
Before we talk about that, we should really talk about the material advantages. Not all compounds are created equal, especially for food-grade materials. Most Kuri Tec products, in addition to being FDA compliant, also meet stringent requirements of NSF 51 for food and beverage, NSF 61 for drinking water, 3A sanitary, primarily for dairy, USDA for meat and poultry, USP for medical devices. In addition, all Kuri Tec products are phthalate-free and Prop 65 compliant. Since we compound our own materials in-house, you can be sure of the quality you're getting with a Kuri Tec product.
Well, that's a lot of compliances. Well, that's kind of one of the things Kuri Tec is known for, is really having a lot of certifications and compliances, and lets customers know they can really count on and trust the product they're using. So why don't you tell us a little bit about the hoses here?
First of all, we do have a full line of non-reinforced PVC tubing from our 68 durometer KO18 series to our most popular KO10 fully certified 73 durometer tubing to our KO50 75 durometer food grade product.
Okay, so our tubing products. We have KO10, KO50. So what's the difference between those?
KO10 is fully certified. It has all the certifications we were talking about. It's not just food grade, it's NSF, it's USDA, it's 3A.
So basically the same hose, except KO10 is the one that has all the registrations and certifications.
All certifications.
Okay. And then you mentioned the KO18. How's that fit in?
It's similar to the KO10, but it is a softer durometer. It's a 68 durometer as opposed to a 73 durometer. Some people prefer the more flexible product, so we offer the KO18 series in that case.
Okay, so also very similar, just more flexible. So that basically sums up the food-grade PVC tubing.
That's right.
So what else do we have?
Next, we have our industry-leading clear braid products that handle higher pressures. We have our standard wall K3150 and our heavy wall K3130. Both are clear so you can see product flow.
Okay, so K3150, K3130. K3130 is the more heavy-duty version.
Correct.
And the braid in general, similar but higher pressure.
Yes.
Okay. What else do we have here?
Next, we have our wire reinforced product. This is our polyspring and polywire products, ideal for vacuum applications. They have glass smooth interior to prevent product buildup.
What are those part numbers?
K7160 is polyspring. K7130 is polywire.
K7130. And so the K7130 is the more heavy-duty version.
Correct.
All right. Okay, so I'm starting to see it now. It all fits together. You have your clear vinyl tubing, certifications, non-certifications, more flexible. Then you have your clear braid for your higher pressures, heavy duty and standard duty. Then you have your wire reinforced for vacuum resistance, heavy duty and standard duty.
Correct.
All right. What else do we have?
We have recently introduced our new product, our Polyspring Oil. This is the first hose designed specifically for food oils such as canola, olive oil, and sunflower oils. Polyspring oil has been proven to have 3 times the oil resistance of standard PVC, which can become stiff and stress crack with prolonged oil exposure.
Okay, yeah, I think we've all seen or experienced that. PVC hose over time, if exposed to oils, will dry out and become stiff and brittle and can crack. So this is the first hose designed specifically for the food oil industry.
Yes.
Excellent. All right, it's all starting to come together now. What else do we have here?
This is where we take things up a different level. This is our Polywire Plus hose. This combines the yard reinforcement of a clear braid and the wire reinforcement of a poly spring to give you both suction and discharge capabilities for positive and negative flow. This is our K7300 series. And when it was introduced, it was named by Processing Magazine as a Breakthrough Product of the Year.
All right, so we have a couple of other ones here. These look a little different.
That's our K-Tough series. It's a recent introduction that we're excited about. K-Tough is a highly durable, high-pressure hose designed for both indoor as well as outdoor applications. It's available in two versions, the standard K-Tough, and then the black version is our K-Tough Oil.
So it's sort of like the Polywire Plus, just more durable, more robust, more abrasion resistant, just designed for tough applications.
That's correct. The K-Tough is with high flexibility is good for constant flex applications. And the abrasion-resistant jacket and MSHA-approved materials are often used for ANFLO and emulsion transfer for mining and quarry blasting.
Well, thank you, Steve. There certainly are a wide range of product breadth in the Kuri Tec line. Thank you for taking some time to talk with us about them today.
You're welcome.